by Rotract. So, today we have with us our three amazing personalities. Rotractor Aditya Darpe, Joint Director, Social Media and Digicom. Rotractor Vedangi Sawant, President. And Rotractor Kimaya Vagole, the Vice President of Main Avenue. So, my first question to them is, what motivated you to join Rotractor?
So I would like to start by telling that I would mention shout out to Manasvi Tople and Vimla Chaudhary. These were the two friends and the previous club service and Digicom directors that have encouraged me and really dragged me into every of their events. And it was really a great experience. And to be honest, I had thought of multiple events from right after entering the college, and I didn't think that I would be able to accomplish them. But Rotract has given me the platform to make my dreams come true, and really seeing the smiles throughout the on the faces of participants, it is really an amazing experience. I think even you guys would agree on that.
For sure, Rotract is indeed a great platform.
So talking about me, this is my third year in Rotract. So I wanted to join Rotract because we all want to live our college lives in the most best way ever. So I won't take any names, but there was a former Rotractor who had pressurized me into joining Rotract, and I was a very inconspicuous, did not work at all, that level of a GBM, and cut to me being the president in this Rotract year. So yeah, I think peer pressure was the main reason I had joined Rotract, but now I am willingly here because Rotract has given me that platform to uh, personally and professionally imbibe myself and imbibe a lot of qualities in myself. So yeah, it's an amazing experience.
Listening peer pressure from Vedangi is a bit like, oh, peer
Yeah, that-
pressure, but now as a president.
Yeah.
Okay. So my sole reason for joining Rotract was community service. Community service was my dream since childhood, but I did not get any platform for doing so. So I joined Rotract as a GBM of community service. I worked with them, the directors of that year. And in the second year, I got the opportunity to become the joint community service director. And that was an amazing experience. Seeing the smiles of the people, getting the blessings from them, that was all that was hopeful from that year. So it was a complete package, I would say. Rotract is a complete package of everything, personal development, professional development. So it's an amazing platform.
So my next question to you all is, what has Rotract transformed in you, or what development Rotract has made?
So I would like to say that it has helped me. Like being as a GBM in Rotract did help me pursue and develop my professional skills, like build leadership. Then help in it helped me in networking as well, and also it helped me in developing memories and connections that had lasted me for a while. And now, as the joint director of Digicom, it has helped me improve my technical skills like editing and helping me communicate very efficiently with all the members of the club, and not just the members but also the participants and people in general.
This is my third year in Rotract. So I have learned on how to grow in any committee or any environment. So being in the third tier of the Rotract, that is GBMs, then coming and serving as the editorial director for the last year. And I have also done a lot of activities in that which Rotract was always planning on doing but couldn't execute it. And I'm very blessed that I was the one who pushed them into executing those ideas. And then now being the president, as I have experienced all these three levels, I know what challenges they face. I know what are the issues that they might face in their tenure. So I think I'm the best fit because I can indulge, I can involve, I can involve them, I can get involved myself in planning events, in executing them, in gathering participation. Every step I can get involved because I have experienced it. I've done it myself, and personally, I think Rotaract has helped me build a lot of patience, and again professionally a lot of professionalism, because I was somebody who was not very professional, who used to always let my emotions overpower every sort of mood. My mood used to change according to my emotions, but being the president, I know that I am the leader, and come what may, I have to be there for my team, for my people. So I think this is what Rotaract has shaped me into, and the platform that Rotaract has given to me, it is really very, very, very special to me. So yeah, and I'm hoping this is not the end. This is definitely not the end. I will develop. I will help you all develop. I will develop with you all. But yeah, so far this is it.
So, being honest, before Rotaract, I was a complete introvert person, being very reluctant to talk to people, and from that to going to ride has been a complete transformation for me. Ride is one of the biggest accomplishment I would say, because the 3 years back to my previous to me, I would never think that she would go with three unknown people to a different state for the first time. So thanks to Rotaract for giving me such an amazing platform for exploring myself, I would say, and it has been an amazing experience. And professionally as well, being joint community service director, serving to the community, and then now being vice president and encouraging them to perform new events and conducting them in a smooth, timely manner has helped me myself to grow more than I would say as a.
So now let's move to our third question. We know like every club involves memories, good or bad. So I would like to know what are your best memories or bad memories. Please do share.
This was surprising. So coming to the best memory, hosting, but obviously Whispers of Kindness 2.0 was like the best memory, because I remember last year it was conducted by Manasvi and Shreya. So it was like the event that has brought my attention. Like I remember coming from my practical and seeing a huge board in front of me that was like really insane, and it was filled with sticky notes and everything. So a thought did strike my mind that if I get a chance, how would I do this event? And taking it into an actual reality is really the biggest memory. And also seeing all the members who dragged me last year to participate in their event, and now me dragging them is really
A real transformation.
real transformation in true sense. And even Rajan sir participating in my event was a sweet surprise to me, and him sharing a moment in our event was something that really means a lot. And even a recognition from the International Rotary is like everything that summed up our event.
Ever.
That is the best, literally the best, one of the best memories.
And
we have.
everyone present here participated in that event. So I feel like not just for me, but I feel like it is the best memory for everyone.
Absolutely, absolutely. Also, it is a very profitable event.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So again, stepping into this role of being a president, every memory, every conversation, every smile that I see on everybody's faces, every tension, every amount, every single molecule of stress that I see is very, very dear and near to me. But still, if I have to enlist I will still say my three best memories. So one was our very own flagship event, Bheja Fry, and I was very much blessed to conduct the 2.0 version of Bheja Fry. So serving as the editorial director, we hosted it, we planned it, and usually flagship events are something that you do in a very stipulated manner. जो पहले हुआ है वही repeat करना is what you do in flagships usually. But we did not stick to that idea. Me and Rotractor Vimla, the former club service director, we sat down, we took our whole team, we planned different stuff, not the stuff which was done in the first year, and it was an amazing hit. We loved hosting it, people loved participating, people loved making, cooking food, no gas cooking challenge for a context, and people loved winning. So it was an amazing experience in a whole. Then the second best memory is, I think, the installation that we have had in this year of 2025-2026. So it was very special and near and dear to me because obviously getting inducted as the president of this club, which I have seen grow, I've seen myself grow into that club as well. So being the president and inducting all of you, this hefty team of 70 right now. So that was one of my best memories because all the Rotarians, all the members from the district, the DRR, the ZRRs, all of them were so happy. And usually installation is considered to be a very formal ceremony, right? So absolutely nothing, no decorations. But this time we had a photo booth by our very own joint director of Digicom from the same event, Whispers of Kindness. And yeah, so we had set up that photo booth as well, and the serendipity leaf where you had to give fingerprints with your near and dear ones. So all the Rotarians, all the district members, all our club members also enjoyed that project a lot. Before even conducting the actual project, we had given a snippet of what the project, how the project is going to be a big hit. So yeah.
And seeing the Rotarians share a smile with us, and especially in the photo with it was really a great thing.
Yes.
The district members were also too excited.
Yes,
The
absolutely.
way they participated was just
No, that-
we didn't expect it that they
The
would.
encouragement they give is always very
Yeah,
special and
yes,
near and
it has
dear.
boosted every one of us.
Yes. And talking about the third memory, I think again I'll go back to my past year as an editorial director. So Rotrack did not have its own magazine. So being an editorial director and me with my team, Rotractor, Ria and Alicia, we inaugurated our Rotrack's official first magazine on the day of our official colleges fest. So that was also a very big moment for us because the principal, the faculty members, all of them supported us so much. Our faculty in charge are also so happy because it has been their very own, dream of getting Rotrack's magazine and whatever work Rotrack does. Not just giving them one page in the college's official magazine, but coming with a whole blooming official magazine is a very big thing. So yeah, that is my third favorite memory. And to sneak in another very big moment, as Aditya had mentioned, Rotary International acknowledging our project, Whispers of Kindness 2.0, was a very big moment. I still remember the goosebumps, the smile, the emotions that I had when I saw the comment was impeccable. I don't think anything can ever top that moment for me. So
Like,
yeah, these
even
are,
I couldn't believe that Rotary International has actually commented. I felt like that
Yeah.
this must be some fake account. I checked it by personally seeing that account. So yeah, it is confirmed.
and then sending it to the ZRRs, the DRRs, getting appreciated by them, getting appreciated by other presidents, other members. It was an amazing, whole of an amazing feeling. And I think it just encouraged all of us to work harder and harder so that we keep getting such recognitions and acknowledgements in the future. So yeah, this is all about it.
So I don't have any specific memory, special memory. I would say, as a joint community service director in the past year, seeing the smiles of the people that we served was the memory that we cherish for the life. Like it was like dream come true for us. Like giving, be it old people at the old age home or children at the orphanage or the students that we donated the books to. Each and every smile, we still remember their blessings, we still are blessed and privileged to have their blessings with us. So each and every event was very special. And this tenure, these guys are doing amazing job, and their events are really, really special for us. Be it PRM, DG, everything is just so memorable.
One. So now, moving on to our last segment, which is the most fun segment of this podcast. So, it's enough of serious talks and all. Let's do a rapid fire.
Yay!
So, first question. Describe road track in one word.
Freedom.
Dynamic.
Emotion,
Okay. Funniest event blooper.
It's tough actually.
Guys, it's rapid fire.
it's very difficult for me. I will still say
Okay.
the first BOD GBM made.
Whispers of kindness, like the amount of hassle was just great, but like the entire event was
I would say past year's Upahar.
If road track was a person, what kind of friend would it be?
It would be like my buddy that I would always have.
Okay.
It would be somebody who I used to hate, absolutely hate in the previous part of my
Being
life,
very
but
real.
now it's the love of my life.
A person who always encouraged me to be a better version of myself.
Okay. One community cause you would love to take up next.
Helping the cancer patients is something that really could help.
I would still say I have a very important connection towards children. So I would like to do something for something towards an orphanage, or
Sort of
maybe
helping
donate clothes
Yes.
to people who are needy, something like that, something related to children.
One cause that we surely should work is LGBTQ community.
Yes, true.
I really request.
Last question. Your message to new road tracers.
I feel like as a GBM and even as a BOD, it's like the best amount of freedom that you can get. I feel like that not just being in the core, but as a GBM and also as the BOD, you get the freedom and the amount of thing. Like you can literally create any idea and turn it into a reality. And myself conducting 4 events, it has been the best journey. And I would really say that it would help you professionally, and not just professionally, it would help you develop the technical skills, the communication skills, and help you bring all the theory that you have learned in the past semesters to bring it in reality.
Have you learned anything? Okay, so my message to the new road tractors would be blend in, is what I would like to say. Irrespective of whatever level you are at, you are a GBM, you are a BOD, you are a core member, you are in press sec, doesn't matter. We are here for a cause to create. So what I feel is, whatever ideas you have, whatever intentions you have towards, there must be some intention behind joining road track, right? So just strive hard to accomplish that. That is all I would like to say. And we all of us are very approachable. So if you want to contact any of us, always here.
So I would say Aditya and Vedangi has given so much jnana. I would just say have fun, guys. Whichever position you are at, be it GBM, core, directors or president also, have fun. Road track is all about fun, developing yourself, becoming a better person, be it personally, professionally. The main aspect of road track is having fun and giving fun. So yeah, have fun.
And just a short note, I would like to add. You might think like I'm a bit stressed, but no, trust me, guys. Participating in event and really seeing everything that you have imagined, seeing into a reality is something that change you personally, and it will also help you see your friends enjoy the events that you have planned. Is something that is probably the best and the core memory that will always stay.
Road track gives you so much fun कि ऐसा stress होना पड़ता है so that you enjoy the value of fun.
Okay, guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much for your time. It was so fun interacting with you all.